Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about JSTOR's AI research tool, some information on what it is, a bit on how it works, and a walkthrough on how you can use it for assistance in your research. In an extremely basic introduction, JSTOR's AI research tool is an assistance for research. It can highlight key terms, summarize passages, and help answer your questions about the item. All of the information used in the AI's output is pulled solely from JSTOR. It does not pull information from the greater internet, so you won't get information from sources like Wikipedia or Reddit. This does limit the amount of information you can get from the tool, but this also makes it less likely that you'll get answers from unreliable sources. However, it is important to remember that this is an AI, and as such, it, like all other AI tools, may provide biased or inaccurate results. Always take the answers with a grain of salt. Let's get into how to use the AI research tool. First, you must be sure you are linked to UT Tyler and signed in to your JSTOR account. You'll know you're linked to UT Tyler up at the top here. It'll say Access Provided By. You can click that and you should see UT Tyler. You'll also need to sign into your JSTOR account. If you're not signed in, you'll see Login in this corner here. Don't have an account? No worries, it's really easy to sign up and it is free. Next, we'll type in our search terms. Today, I'm going to do a really basic search. If you want tips on how to search in databases, check out some of our other videos. They go really into depth about how you can get good results for your searches. Today, let's just use Catholicism. And we'll just choose a result from the list. You can see the AI research tool is located on the right-hand side. You can toggle the tool on and off with this button right here. The tool automatically explains how the item is related to the search terms you input, so you can better decide if this article is helpful for your research. It does have some pre-generated prompts you can use, or you can type some prompts into the chat box here. What is this about? Explains the key points and arguments of the text. Show related content provides other items in JSTOR that are similar to this one. And recommended topics helps you expand your search by providing additional keywords to search with. Clicking on them will start a new search. You may have noticed that the tool is citing sources within its answers. Up here, for example, it shows you where the information is within the text. Clicking on the link will bring you to the exact spot it's citing. You can also highlight sections of the text to find related content or summarize the section. As I said earlier, you can also use the chat box to ask additional questions. However, the tool should tell you if it cannot answer your question due to the text not containing the answer. Another thing the tool cannot do is write a paper for you. As you can see, it tells me it can only provide summaries and provide specific information about the article. So I unfortunately can't use this tool to write some discussion board posts. If you'd like to keep the conversation history to look back on it later, simply download it. Click on these three dots and download it as a PDF or HTML. You can see here it also allows you to cite the conversation you had with the AI. One final thing I'd like to point out is the tool does not work with every item in JSTOR. Some items cannot use the tool due to publisher restrictions or limitations. As you can see here, the tool lets you know which materials it can and cannot use. But that's our overview of the JSTOR AI research tool. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching and happy searching.